On today's episode, I'm heading down to our aluminum shop.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona.
What is up, everybody? Welcome to episode number 101 of Inside the Body Shop. Hope you guys are having a great Monday. Back to the grind. First thing this morning when I got to the shop, I had two smaller aluminum repairs I had to do. So I had to head down to our aluminum shop. I had an F-150 and a 2018 F-150 and a Cadillac CTS hood repair. So our aluminum shop's a separate part of our building because they want aluminum to be separated from steel because the two metals, if they get that causes cross-contamination if the two metals mix together, and it'll cause problems later on down the road with the repair. So we have a separate area for the aluminum repair. Headed down there to dive into these repairs. All right, back to the grind this morning. I'm down in our aluminum shop. I have a couple small aluminum repairs I'm gonna knock out. This one's just a dent on a Cadillac CTS hood right there, and then I have a F-150 here that gets a small repair on the side, on the bedside. I'm gonna pull both of those out and get those moving. Get those knocked out quick this morning. Now, anytime you're straightening aluminum, if you don't have access to the backside to push the damage out, you have to zap these studs on here like I'm doing right now, and then you apply heat. Use a heat gun. You want to apply heat to the aluminum. It doesn't like to move very well without heat. It doesn't have to get super hot, but you just want to warm it up, and it helps the aluminum move a lot easier that way. And then I use the hammer to tap down the crowns. While I'm pulling the damage out, there's also a crown, which is kind of like a high spot next to it. And while I'm warming it up, I'm tapping on that, and I'm applying a pressure to it with this fixture that I'm using right here. And then that's how you work the aluminum out. Then after I finished those up, I headed back upstairs to the Hyundai Sonata, hard hit in the left rear. I've been working on for the last few episodes. Be sure to check out episode 99 and episode 100 if you missed the first part of this repair. This is towards the ladder of the repair. I'm welding it together. I went ahead and welded the rear body panel and the taillight pocket in this one. The quarter panel's ready to go on. That'll be first thing in the morning. I'll be putting that on. But that was my day today. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you do, be sure to click that share button. I greatly appreciate it. So thank you guys, and check out the rest of my day. All right, back to this Hyundai Sonata. I got all this fit up on Friday. I'm gonna go ahead and weld this rear body panel on and the taillight pocket. Then I'll lift the quarter panel back off, and I gotta put glue and everything on the quarter panel, so I'll do that a little separately. So I'm gonna get this back part welded together now. All right, I got the rear body panel and the taillight pocket all welded on this one. I am ready to put the quarter panel on first thing in the morning. I have a little bit of prep work I gotta finish up on it, but it's just about ready to go on, and it will go on in the morning. That's a wrap for the day. I will talk to you all tomorrow.